Okay, these bits I don't care. Okay, and the next is function. Okay, so this is for your R-type instruction. Okay, so your R-type instruction is divided into like opcode, source register, temporary register, destination, shift amount, and function. Okay, can somebody tell me what's the difference between opcode and function? Yeah. So what's opcode and what's function?
Does the opcode go to like the control?
Correct. Okay, so opcode goes to the control bit. Okay, so basically what it does is opcode will tell like what kind of operation it has to do, like arithmetic operation, logical operation, or branch instructions or stuff like that. Whereas function will tell you like what function you should carry. So say opcode can say okay just do arithmetic, and function can say okay do addition. Okay, so the function say for example it can be like 1 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, 6 bits, right? So function can say so and so, and opcode will be like 0 0 0 0 0 0. When opcode is 0 0 0 and function is so and so, then it is addition. Okay. All right. Say for example, if opcode is like something else 0 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, something else, and even function is the same thing. Okay. This is for say this can be for branch jump instructions, and this can be for jump not equal to or something like that. Okay, so based on your opcode the function changes. Okay, so these opcode and functionality are present in your appendix B of the textbook. Okay, so if you have the textbook handy, so I think it's B50. Okay, so make sure you go through that page. Appendix B50. Okay, is this big table. Okay, so this table has like all the opcodes. So I'll explain the main things which you'll be using. Okay, for this project we'll be using addition, subtraction, okay, and or XOR, and then NOR, load word, store word, and then you'll be using what else? You'll be using set less than, and then set less than unsigned, and then can you guys look up the Lab.2 description and just tell me branch less than equal to? Do you guys have Lab.2 instruction description?
I think he said branch is getting pushed to the next one.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean the thing is you still need to code it. When you do the ALU, you need to like have it, but you're not testing it right now. Okay, so it's like the thing is in the ALU you'll have the output, but you're not using that output anywhere. So you'll have the branch instruction somewhere else in week 3 or so. You'll use the outputs from the ALU, from the branch outputs, and then you'll be coding it. Okay. So for this project you don't need it. Okay, but like but since you're coding the ALU, you still have to code them. Okay, because have you seen the ALU description, right? If you see the ALU description, it has everything, right? So it has BLZ. Can you guys tell me what that is? Branch less than. And then greater than or equal to 0, and then jump, and then branch equal to, and branch not equal to. Okay, and then branch greater than 0.
I see. That doesn't matter. That could just do that. Minus.
So if you see your, you know, if you see your appendix B, okay, for add sub, your opcode is 0000, okay. So let me write in decimal, okay. So for explanation purpose, I'll just write in decimal. So you need to convert the 6-bit binary, by the way, okay? So is 0, sub is 0, and is 0, this is 0, XOR is 0, NOR is 0, load word is 35, stored word is 43, okay? Set less than is yep, it's 0, this is 0, and then branch not equal to, this is 0, 4, okay, and so on and so forth. There are different values for all the branch instructions, okay? So you need to know these values to code your controllers. Okay, so basically your controller will be looking for these opcodes. If the opcode is 0, then it knows it's an arithmetic operation. If the opcode is 35, okay, 35 is basically what's it? It's like, I think it's 1000 1010 0? No, 101. I don't remember. So basically a 6-bit value. So your controller should basically look for 6 bits of 35, and then if it's 35, then it's automatically load word. Okay? So this is how your controller should work. Okay, so this is for R-type instructions, okay? So what is I-type instructions? How does it look? Immediate type instructions, so they have opcode, okay, so they have